Some people have written books, some have a great look that covers the magazines. Kids who are 17, but I don't know what to do. Staring into the blue sky and just waiting for a sign. Someday are certain.
Hi, good morning! Good morning, everyone. Punta tayo sa my warrior's nest. Maglakad. Kasama itong baby girl! Baby girl, baby girl. Kaya na ka, no? Baby girl! Flex ko lang ito. Super comfy siya for this travel. Ayan. Take out lang tayo ng pagkain bago tayo umakyat. So, tara dito sa Marosan. First, the menu. Uy, hindi ka siya na. Nag-register lang muna tayo kasi kailangan ngayon, but before wala to eh. Ayan, so galing tayo dito. Ito yung Long Road, Marosan, and dito na. Madali lang siyang hanapin, and so far gustong gusto ko dito sa park na to. Aside from free siya, sobrang mafe-feel mo yung vibe ng nature and fresh yung hangin. Yun. Kain tayo ng oatmeal bar. Dito ba lang sa baba, gutom na tayo. Hopefully masarap. Grabe yung freckles natin, oh. Tak. Yan ang totoong mukha. Magandang maglakad dito, lalo na sa umaga kasi ang lamig ng hangin and walang masyadong tao din. Yan, gising ng ating baby girl and she's wondering where are we. Ah, look, oh. You awake? What are you doing, guys? Where are we going? Oops. Say hi. Hi. Yan, nandito na tayo sa may entrance pa lang to. Welcome. Clap, 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 clap. Ah. Heads up, fast bikes approaching. Sana sa elevator. Wow. Close, open. Close, open. Oo. Okay. Habang pa na dyan matam. Si Kadeda na. Ayan, say hi. Say hi. Hi. Yan. By the way, ano siya dito? Bike trail siya. So, madaming mga bikers din dito, lalo na sa weekend. Pero okay din naman maglakad. Especially that, dun sa dulo, may park. And then, may mga swing, ganun. Pwede kayo dun. How about my girl? Wah! Wah! Sobrang fresh ng hangin dito. Tapos naririnig mo talaga yung sway, ganun. So, stop lang muna tayo to feel the vibe. Wow. Clap, clap, clap! Ayo, clap! Kanan. Distract nanti. Clap, 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 clap. You clap. Yay! Oh, wow. One more. Clap, 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 clap. Okay. Wow. Ang ganda talaga dito. Boy. One more. Clap, 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 clap. Wow! Come on! Clap, clap, clap! Wow! Ito yung papuntang bike trail. And yan, ang papunta dun sa communal park. Nandito tayo. Say hi to Dana's vlog. Oh, say hi.
Say hi.
Natutuwa siya. Oh, that's not a food. Okay? Wow! Ayan na. You happy? Uy! How you want to hold that? Okay. Oo, okay, let's go. Ito paakyat na to. So, medyo hihingalin tayo. Wow! Para din tayong nag-weights dito kasi meron si baby girl. Nature's beauty is our responsibility. Huh? Look. It's flower. It's a flower. It's color white. This is not a food. Wow. Wow. Uy! It's another flower. Look, a flower. Leaves. Wow. Wow. Oops. Okay. Yan, sobrang lapit na natin. Naririnig ko na yung mga tao. Alam niyong malapit na kayo. Wow! Ay, sa wakas. After all. Wow, clap, clap, clap. Very good. Good job, anak. At, welcome to Warrior's Nest. Ang ganda. Ayan, may mga upuan dito. And may mga swing dun sa baba. Wow. Where are you? Where are you? Yan, merienda lang tayo. And pahangin ulit. Anak agre. Kargata dagiti kwaditi. Banana for my dana. Here. Here. Here anak ko. This one. Wow. Wow. Kain tayo na.
No.
Yummy? Swing-swing muna tayo dito. How was it? How's the experience, madam? Are you happy? Are you happy? Siya na daw mag-vlog.
Someone to save me, no, and don't come running to blame me. From miles away I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk, I think I said enough. You said your love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car. Let me see who you are, who you really are. Yeah.
Tara na. Let's go, let's go. Bah!